And though I have the gift of prophecy.
Hold up. Gift of prophecy. You can break down Daniel 2, Daniel 7. You breaking down all that good stuff, bro.
Jesus Christ.
This brother going in. Everybody hear you. Woo-wee. When they hear you teach, we be like, woo-wee, that brother going in. Read again.
And though I have the gift of prophecy and understand all mysteries.
You understand all the deep, dark mysteries of the Bible. Read on.
And all knowledge. And though I have all faith.
And you got all faith. You know you're an Israelite. You know you from the tribe of Judah. You got faith. Read on.
So that I could remove mountains.
Hold up. Your faith so strong that you can remove a mountain, bruh. Bro, that's some faith right there, bro. You got some faith. You'll remove a mountain. Read on.
And have not charity.
But if you ain't got that charity, read on.
I am nothing.
God say you